Hey guys, I'm so excited to be sharing this snail stew that my grandmother taught me how to make many years ago. So I hope you try it very soon. It's good. Then you slice your red onions, that's one full onion, and then half that you're going to dice into big chunks. So you keep that aside. And for tomatoes, you're going to be needing 4 medium-sized tomatoes that you're going to chop up nicely, or you can blend them if you want, but I love the chopped up version. Now for your snails, I like to split them up, from the middle to have house, throughout the stew. I mean, you can do the whole snail if you want, but I find that the house are like much easier to chew, So it's good to split them up through the middle so that you have very nice house. It actually looks much more prettier in the stew as well. Yeah. Snails are very slimy, and to get rid of that slime, you're going to be needing salt, and you have to wash the salt or run the salt through and run it under water several times, at least twice, and then you're going to use lemon as well. So using salt and lemon gets rid of that slime. Yeah, so you make sure that you squeeze in enough lemon or lime, both works very well, whichever you have on hand. So you run it through the water, and as you can see, the slime is much reduced. So this helps you to get extra crunchy snails in the stew. You don't want that slime in your stew. So we are frying our snails in about half cup of palm oil for that extra crunchiness. My grandmother used Hwentia and Wodeaba for her spices, especially for this stew actually. And this is the grinding stone, or in Ghana what we call wiete. That's what, way back before the blenders and the mills, this is what we use to grind our spices. And the flavor from grinding this, it's amazing. It's a serious workout though. It's a serious workout for your arms, yes. But you really can't compare the flavor that comes from grinding our spices on this stone. It's truly incredible. Everyone should have a grinding stone. I don't think we should get rid of our traditional cooking appliances from way back. Using that same palm oil, add your sliced onions and be patient with your onions. Allow it to caramelize, bring out the sweetness and the sugars in then you add your spices. Trust me, it's so fragrant. And then a bit of cayenne pepper, and allow all the spices to flavor the oil before you add your tomatoes. A half cup of water should do it, and then a bit of salt and tomato paste before you add your fried snails, and allow to cook for about 10 minutes. By now your neighbors it done so basa like number one here. So you add the chopped onions in, as the final touches for extra crunch, and it's time to eat. Well, time to serve. You serve first and then garnish with a bit of spring onions, some banku. With this stew, I'm telling you, Charlie, just on the BBO. Like I totally missed this stew that my grandmother taught me, and I'm so glad I actually tried it again after so many years. Charlie, uba face stew nani, uba chode akeye menele ofe nuko. Yeah, it's that good. Trust me, it's that good. Yeah. It is so good. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe, and Send me any questions you may have, and follow me everywhere on Instagram, on TikTok, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you guys. Bye.